Brian Sensei here. Did you know that you can now use split tabs in Google Chrome browser so that you can see two different websites side by side like this? Let's check it out. Okay, so here I am in the Google Chrome browser, and I'm currently on the Instagram website. Now, I also want to bring up my YouTube channel and look at these side by side. So I'm going to go up here to the tab. I'm going to right click on it, and you'll see this option, Add Tab to New Split View. And I can either do side by side or stacked. I'm going to choose side by side. And now over here on the right, I've got a new web page window, and I can go ahead and come up to my search field or address bar and type in YouTube, and boom shakalaka. Here I am at my YouTube channel, and I've got Instagram here on the left. This is a great way to look at websites side by side, especially if you may be copying and pasting from one to the other. Now, the important thing to know is you can click into either web page and interact with it. Notice when I clicked on the Instagram page, the website address shifted to Instagram.com. This lets you know that this is the active page that you are interacting with. If I click back over here on YouTube, you can see here that the URL changed to youtube.com. You'll also notice this little icon to the left of the website address. This also lets you know which page is the active page you are working in. If I click back here on Instagram, this icon is going to shift to indicate that I'm interacting in the left-hand side web page. If I click YouTube, it's going to shift to show me I'm interacting with the right-hand side. Now, there's also tools in here. If I click this icon, I'm going to get all these options. Separate views. If you're done looking at these side by side, you can separate them out into individual tabs. You also have the option to close the left view only or close the right view only. You can also switch to showing stacked. Let's take a look at this. That's the stacked view. And I can click back on here and go to a side-by-side view. Also in here, I can reverse the views. Maybe I want YouTube on the left and Instagram on the right. One click and boom shakalaka. All right, let's click in here one more time and we'll go ahead and look at closing the right view. Boom, Instagram completely closed, and I'm now just looking at the YouTube channel. Now let's take a look at this when we separate the views. I'm going to click on this menu again, and I'll go to Separate Views. You'll notice here that the tab pops open, and now the pages are in separate tabs. All right, and that is how you use split tabs in Google Chrome. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.